We've always been told that we should save money like that's the only way to grow our wealth. But what if I told you that's not completely true? Saving money could actually be making you poor. Sounds crazy, right? But stick with me. Look, I get it. We all grew up hearing, save your money, put it in the bank, don't spend it. It sounds smart, right? And banks make it seem safe. Your money's just chilling there, growing slowly with interest. But here's the thing, your money isn't growing as much as you think. Inflation, the silent thief. Inflation means prices go up every year. So that $10 coffee you buy today, in 10 years, it might cost $15 or $20. If your money's just sitting in a bank account earning like 1% interest, but inflation is 3%, guess what? You're losing money in real terms. Your cash buys less and less over time. Why low interest rates hurt savers? Banks are paying peanuts on savings accounts these days. It's like putting your cash in a slow treadmill while prices sprint ahead. So, the more you save without investing, the more your money quietly shrinks. Ouch. The opportunity cost. Every dollar you save without growing it is a dollar that's missing out on other money making chances. Imagine if instead of saving that $100, you invested it in something that grows 7% a year, like the stock market. After 10 years, that $100 isn't just $100 anymore. It's about $200. But if it's just in your savings account earning 1%, it's maybe $110. Big difference. But wait, isn't saving still important? Before you throw your piggy bank out the window, here's the deal. Saving some cash is super important. Emergency fund? Absolutely. Having some cash ready for life's oh no moments is smart, but only saving, and only in low interest accounts, that's where the problem is. What should you do instead? So, what's the smart move? Don't just save, invest. Investing means putting your money to work, stocks, bonds, index funds, or even your own skills and side hustles. It's like planting seeds instead of just stacking coins. Sure, investing has risks. Prices go up and down. But over time, smart investing beats just saving every time. You don't need a ton of cash to start. Even $5 a day invested can grow into something nice over years. Apps and platforms make investing easy and low cost now. So, saving money isn't bad. It's just not enough. If you only save without growing your money, you're basically letting inflation eat your hard earned cash. Want to get richer? Learn to invest, even a little bit. Because your money should be working for you, not just sitting there watching prices go up while you stay stuck. If this made you rethink your whole save everything plan, give it a like. And hey, if you're serious about growing your money, hit subscribe. Let's build wealth, one smart move at a time.